is always a popular body style here at Unique, especially in classics. And a rag top to boot. 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle Convertible SS Tribute. So we have a 454 big block underneath the hood that's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, has had a repaint to black. And as you can see, this paint has a nice shine to it. See the reflection in the background on it. Let's take a look at the chrome up front. Bright work, headlight surrounds, grille. Chrome looks good, bright work looks good. Now I know you do see 396 badging there with the SS Tribute part, but it is a 454 big block underneath there. If you want to see the still pictures, you're going to be able to see the engine bay, interior, undersides, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. That's if you're watching on YouTube. Look down in the description, you're going to see that link. Go ahead and click on it. You can always call us also, 507-386-1726. Slotted wheels, beauty rings, Chevrolet Motor Division center caps, BF Goodrich Silvertown Redline radials. Those are only a couple years old with very few miles on it, judging by the tread depth left. Let's take a look down this passenger side, and again, you can see the reflection, that black paint and the wall behind me. White vinyl interior, white vinyl top. It is a power top. Seat belts intact, of course. Bucket seats up front with the center console and that 4-speed. Little aftermarket gauge cluster underneath the dash. Retro sound style radio. We're going to get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. First of all, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome in the rear bumper. Bright work in the rear of the car also looks good. See the ceiling of the building we're in here, and that reflection in the paint. There is a white vinyl parade boot or convertible top cover. Did not put that on. It's a newer top cover. It's pretty tight. I would want to get it out in the sun, let it soften up, get a little more pliable to put it on. Just want to let you know that is going with the car, and we'll put that in the trunk before it ships. Once again, all those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. If you take a look at the underside, you're going to notice it does have a newer fuel tank in it. You look under the hood, you can see aluminum radiator, HEI ignition. Technician did note that the brakes are 90% or better in this car, front and rear. Car brakes straight. Let's take a look down the driver's side. If you're into these mid to late 60s muscle cars, maybe just like Chevelles in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase off our showroom floor, or of course right online if you can't make it see us in person. There's a few spots I did notice in the black paint where there's a few pimples here and there, and I don't even know if I can get them to show up. Boy, you got to really be looking close, but just a few areas. It's black paint. Does it look very nice? Absolutely. And it's been on a while. It's not like it was painted last night, or it's real fresh paint. So it's been on the car a while. Still has a nice shine to it, as you can see. Just want to point out, sometimes there's an imperfection here or there, and with the black, if you owned a black car, you know how it is. All right, onto the interior. This has been reupholstered, the white vinyl interior. Again, seatbelts intact in the rear. Door panels, door cards looking good. Up front, a little bit of wear on the bolster here, but nothing that's going to affect that seat and how it basically works and lets you enjoy driving this car. All right, now we are going to fire this up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, look at that engine bay. And remember, if you stick around to the very end of this video, we'll take this car for a drive. Jason will show you how it goes down the road. But first, let's listen to it. Again, big block power. Oil pressure, voltmeter in the center, and of course water temp, which has a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to be up at all. I haven't really played around with the radio in this one, but it powered up. Let's find a station if we can here. So the radio is working.
The news last June of a missing submersible.
This one will turn some heads the way it sounds and the way it looks. That convertible top is power, if I didn't mention that earlier. We will put that up. We're going to check that out in just a bit. I'll show you it going up and down before we let Jason take it for a spin. All right, let me slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this real quick. Let's get a peek at this engine bay, and then we'll check out that convertible top, and I'll show you it functioning. All right, underside of the hood. Looks as good as the exterior of the car. That big block warmed up a little bit. It's off high idle, so there's your low idle. Listen to that. Again, aluminum radiator. Power steering, power brakes. Yes, I know there's a few spots it's badged as a 396. That is a 454 big block. Suffix code on the stamped pad will let you know that. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this. I want to get this hood closed up. I want to show you the top going up and down, and we'll check out the condition of that in just a bit. All right, and here we go. Top up, as you could easily watch. Nice tight fit above the windshield. That'll come in handy in case you get caught in a little brief shower. Speaking of which, the side glass is up, and actually, side comes over the glass just a tad. So again, it's going to be nice for if you're in a brief shower. White vinyl, obviously not very old top, has been replaced. Rear window nice and clear. I have not noticed any rips, tears, holes, let alone hardly any wear on this top. Passenger side glass, also a nice fit, tucked under just a tad so that water can't get through there. And again, nice tight fit above the windshield. All right, I'm going to show you the top going back down so you can see how that functions. Remember, stick around to the very end of this video. Take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. 1966. Chevrolet Chevelle, a convertible SS Tribute. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1966 Chevelle by Chevrolet. This is a convertible and we do have the top up today. This is a 4 on the floor, center console with a clock in it car. Nice desirable features, bucket seats. Lovely acceleration, lots of fun to push that throttle down. Our oil pressure gauge is showing 50 psi. Volts are about 14 and water temperature about 170. Still rising a little bit. Factory horn working well. Wipers work on this car. We have a digital stereo on the dash. Coming out of the speaker on top of the dash. Speedometer working well. The fuel gauge is reading just under a half a tank. Nice condition interior, door panels looking good, seats, bucket seats, comfortable, vinyl, white bucket seats. Clutch feels good, easy to shift. We'll go into first now because we're almost stopped for the roundabout. And second. Corners as you would expect. Corners the way a 66 Chevelle should. The most fun you can have putting that throttle down, that's the best part. A little bit of sprinkles on the windshield, just starting to come down. Take a look at all the pictures and learn everything you need to know about the Chevelle at uniqueclassiccars.com.